Danny, I think the water purifier needs servicing. Do you have the number?
Really? Alright, just give me a second and I'll come and change it.
What do you mean you'll change it? Just get the guy to do it for us.
What for? We use the LG Puricare water purifier. We don't need no guy. Let me show you how it's done. We can easily swap out the filters. Every 6 months or so, we get this nice package for spare filters. All you have to do is open the water filter, twist and pull the old filter out, and pop the filter replacement in, and voila, it's done.
Oh wow, I never knew it was that easy. Wait, are you paying extra for this?
Nope, we aren't paying a single cent for this because it all comes wrapped up in the LG Rent Up program.
No, you're kidding, right?
Do I look like I'm kidding? With the LG Rent Up program, you can choose if you want someone to visit every 3 months or receive a self-service kit every 6 months. So we don't really have to worry about maintenance, as the maintenance fee is also included. And you know that air conditioning we have over there? LG will provide a serviceman once every 6 months to ensure it is always in good working order.
Oh wow, now I know why you guys are using this program.